Hey there, welcome to Desiliceous Kitchen. It's summertime, and during summer, all of us wish to have something refreshing, something that cools us down and protects us from the heat. And that's why today we've brought to you some amazing milkshakes that you can try out this summer. There's Chickoo Milkshake, there's Date Banana Milkshake, and there's our favorite Mango Milkshake. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so you receive notifications from us. Let's start off with making Chickoo Milkshake. So we've taken 3 chickoos here, which are medium sized, and let's peel off the skin first. So we've peeled off the skin of all the chickoos, and now we need to de-seed them. So remove the seeds and let's chop the chickoos roughly. Now let's drop them into a mixer jar and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and half teaspoon cardamom powder. We've also taken 2 tablespoons of cashews or kaju. Now we are going to use total 1 cup of milk for this milkshake, but initially we are just going to add half a cup of milk, and we've also dropped in some ice cubes. Okay, that's ready. Now let's add in the remaining half cup of milk and blend it again. Milkshake is all ready. You can see how frothy it looks. But there's one step that still remains, and that is to strain the milkshake.
Now we are straining our Chickoo milkshake. We have not strained any of our other milkshakes. Then why only Chickoo milkshake? That is because Chickoo has some fibrous rough particles. When it is strained, it tastes very nice and smooth.
We've garnished this milkshake with some pieces of Chickoo and some dry fruits. And our Chickoo milkshake is all ready. Milkshake number 2, it's mango milkshake. So let's start off by peeling the mango. Now let's go ahead and chop it. Discard the seed and let's drop the mango pieces into the mixer jar. We've added 1 cup of milk to this and 1 tablespoon sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar as per your taste and also depending on the sweetness of the mango. We've dropped in ice cubes and there you go. Your mango milkshake is ready to serve. Let's pour this onto a glass. Yum! Now that's your summer drink. Garnish with some chopped mango pieces, some dry fruits, and you're good to go. There's your summer drink. Cheers! Next, we are going to make date banana milkshake. For this, we've taken 4 to 5 dates, which we've de-seeded and then soaked in hot milk for about an hour. After an hour, let's add the dates along with the milk in a blender jar. Let's add in some ice cubes, some cardamom powder, and 1 ripe banana. You can see that this banana is really ripe. It has those black spots in it. That's the kind of banana we need to take. Let's chop the banana and drop it into the jar and blend this into a frothy milkshake. That's frothy, right? Let's garnish it with some dates and some chopped nuts and also some banana pieces. That's quick and refreshing. Now it's time to serve all the 3 milkshakes that we just prepared. There's Chickoo Milkshake, Mango Milkshake, and Date Banana Milkshake. I hope you enjoyed this amazing, refreshing session on milkshakes. I'm sure this trio is going to be a big success. Do try this out. Give us your feedback and subscribe to Desilicious Kitchen. See you next time. Bye-bye.